7 months ago, Trump imposed tariffs exceeding 140% on China. China did not retaliate with counter tariffs. It threatened to cut off rare earth exports, the materials America needs to build missiles, jet engines, the radar systems. Trump backed down. Beijing had been carrying that knowledge into every conversation since, including this one. Today, Trump lands in Beijing. The Council on Foreign Relations published its analysis 2 days ago. Five senior China experts, one conclusion: China will have the upper hand. Here is the specific architecture of why. Trump arrives with record low approval ratings, gas prices spiking from the Iran war, midterms in November. He needs wins. He can show American voters before then. China knows exactly what he needs and exactly what it will cost. China will offer Boeing purchases, agricultural deals, things that photograph well before midterms. In exchange, CSIS confirmed China wants the US to express opposition to Taiwan independence. Not merely non support, which has been US policy for 50 years, but active opposition, a phrase that has never appeared in American policy. Taiwan is watching every word of this summit more nervously than any other country on earth. Here is what makes this personal, regardless of wherever you live. The alliance, the trade, the relationships, the security architecture that your country depends on, all of it is being negotiated in a room today by a president who needs a win before November, across from a counterpart who waited 7 months for exactly this moment. The handshake will look like a progress. The question is what was traded for it and whether anyone will say so clearly.